I'd just like to introduce you now to the Windows 7 course. This is a course that I designed. I haven't taught it yet. Other instructors are teaching it right now, and it is a live course. So you'll see that there are some activities here in the very beginning. The course is for students who are in the visually impaired program and have never had a computer course before. They are also learning new things about their assistive technologies, their screen readers and screen magnifiers, and they're working towards a certificate, for the most part, the certificate in IT. Now, the course is also being used by basic students who are just getting a foundation in computers. They're not requiring all of the detail they need to go on to an IT certification. So I'm just going to scroll through the course. You'll see it's divided into ordinal 0 week, first week, second week. And this is for students to find their links very easily because they're new to both their assistive devices as well as working with Moodle. This is often the very first introduction that they have to Moodle because Windows, of course, is the very first course they ever learn. And you'll see that there are learning outcomes for each week. And there are activities. And the assignments are set up exactly the same way as previous assignments. And here's the control panel exercise, for instance. And there's a drop box assigned to that actual exercise. Because students are new to using Moodle, they keep everything in a document they can save to, and they submit it to the Dropbox, which is here. And submit it right there. There are also offline activities that the instructor uploads to, and students are told that this is where they'll see their marks. An example of this is the 6th week, marks entered by instructor for problem 6. Computer has frozen. You'll see that I've divided the course up into basic students, certificate students, and that's again because the certificate students have to do extra work and basic students need just a basic understanding of how to troubleshoot a computer and get by with learning some of the more fundamental issues of computers. There's a lot here because, again, it is a certificate course. These self-tests that they do are optional for students, and they're told that by their instructors. The interesting thing about this course is that it is a continuous intake course. That means that we can have a student halfway into this course while another student starts it. That means that this course has to be running all the time. Because of that, I designed this so that the final exams and the midterm are available only to students who are in the final exam or the midterm groups. So they're not doing things at the wrong time. And I'm not leaving the final exam open for a student who has never seen it before to come in and do it by accident. So in order for them to see the final exam, they have to be in the final exam certificate students group, in this case, or the final exam basic students group. And I do that through the grouping function in Moodle. And that was a really important component of this course. So that's the introduction to Windows 7.